everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is back with another mukbang. So, yes, you guys, how is everybody truly doing? Leave a comment below so I know. So, today, you guys, excuse the head, okay? Because Sister was on the run. Sister was on the run, okay? Now, today, we are featuring on the new sandwich that's located at Famous Dave in your local area, participating stores. So yeah, your girl had to go and get it real fast. You know what I'm saying? I was on the run, okay? Because I had to get this sandwich, you guys. So yeah, they got a $5 sandwich, chicken sandwich that is. And they got their special sauce on it. And from my understanding, it may be a comeback. I'm not sure. But it's out for a limited time, you guys. So we're going to sample this sandwich together. You guys, are you ready? Because your girl is surely is ready, you guys. So yes, we have us a little drinkity drink right here. Nothing special. A little, a little drinky drink. Okay, so yeah, let me show you guys a sneak peek of this sandwich. You guys, look at there. Oh my goodness. So we're going to take this out the box. So yes, you guys, I cannot wait to get into this sandwich. So yes, we got, a nice buttery bread, you guys. Let me show you guys this sandwich one more time. Yes, look at there. They give you a nice big piece as well. So everything is put on the side, you guys. So we're going to assemble this sandwich. Now, this is their special sauce. Oh, okay. So it tastes like a little mayonnaise whipping sauce, okay? So we're just going to go on here and put a little bit on here because you know how your girl feel about sauces. Okay? And we're going to take this pickle and we're going to smash it all the way around here. And we're going to put our pickles. And we got some double spit, you guys. What kind of sauce do you like when you go to Famous Dave, you guys? And this is their new $5 sandwich. Oh, it's a lot in there. Let's cover this sauce back up. Now, let's see. Famous Dave chicken sandwich. Do it stand up to Taco Bell? Not Taco Bell. Y'all, I eat so much Taco Bell, it's ridiculous, okay? Do it stand up to Popeyes? Uh-oh, you guys. Go ahead. I'm going to let you guys get the first bite. Look at there. Famous Dave sandwich. Oh, my goodness. Now, that looks like straight deliciousness. Guys. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed that bite. You guys want a bite? There you go. So let's go on here and get into this bite. Let me give you guys another bite. Real chicken breast. $5. Yes, that's what it costs. $5. Okay. $5. Your girl got a container right here. She's going to put some sauce in, guys. Because I love their sauce. I love it. Mm, mm, mm. Ooh. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This sandwich is definitely crispy, juicy. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay. Their special sauce and the Devil's Pit barbecue sauce, perfect combination. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Now I must say, the sandwich is delicious. The sandwich is delicious. Mm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Juicy. The bomb. Mm. The spiciness. I don't know, you guys. This sandwich is hitting. If you're viewing me for the first time, thumbs it straight up. Subscribe to the channel. Just come join your girl. I would love to meet you guys. Share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. And don't forget, leave a comment below so I know where to go. But if you haven't tried this chicken sandwich, go over to your nearest famous Dave. And hey, go get it while it's limited time only. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 The spiciness. Mm. Behind the pit. Devil's pit with devil's spit. Okay? And the spiciness from the sauce gives it a heck of a kick. If you enjoy that spiciness, this is the sandwich for you. That's almost a guarantee, you guys. It's just as good as their ribs. Mm-hmm. Mm, mm, mm. And like I say, you see they give you plenty of meat. Mm-hmm. Plenty of meat. Mm. So, there you have it. Famous Dave. The legends of all pit barbecue. Now they have the Irish sandwich. If you're not familiar with it, I believe that's his wife's name. And it's a comeback. So this sandwich is back on the line for a limited time. So go check them out. I would say tell your girl, but they don't know me. They don't know me. But go check them out. You guys, show them your love and your support. Go get you a $5 chicken sandwich. You go. Famous Deli. They got it. So sending much love from my house to yours.